Hi, this is Natalie Rydstrom from SBR Picks. Ludogorets Razgrad hosts Real Madrid in their second match from Group B. After Real Madrid's 5-1 performance against Basel, they are big favourites in this match. Will this match be dominated by Group B favourites? And is there still money to be made? Well, joining us now to talk more about this match is sports writer and SBR contributor Kevin Stott. Kevin, welcome to the show.
Hey, how you doing, Natalie?
Now, Real Madrid are the big favourites here. They're priced 1.25. Now, if you had a big bankroll, would you back them?
Yes, most definitely.
You would? Okay, 1.25. How about, for greater odds here, 1.67 for them to win half-time, full-time with our size bankroll?
I love that, our size bankroll. Now we're talking. That, to me, when I was writing this up, that stood out to me like a sore thumb. And this is why you want to have an offshore account, is to create realities like this. When you first look at the Real Madrid Ludogorets game and you see the three-way line, how expensive Real Madrid is on a straight bet, it's going to scare the common man off. Mm-hmm. If you have access to offshore and you look at some of these other specific marketplaces, you can see that Real Madrid first half with Real Madrid second half is only $1.50 at Sky Bet. That's beautiful. That is just, I mean, I hate people that say lock or guaranteed or whatever, but I just would find it hard to believe that Real Madrid won't be leading, won't win both halves in this game. So at $1.50, I think that's just a great bet.
Yeah, I was surprised actually that they were as high as that. They're 1.67. Now, another thing I am expecting is some goals. And Real Madrid minus 2.5 is priced 2.25. And for the braver better, minus 3.5 is priced 3.8. How will you play the goals market? And are you expecting to see goals?
I count me in the brave on this one. I follow Real Madrid heavily, and I feel like I have a good pulse on this particular team, and I just don't, like I wrote in the story for Sportsbook Review for you guys, and they can't make the total high enough. They can't make it 5.5, because then a lot of people would bet the under. So they have to keep it at 3.5 and just hope people don't notice. I want to tell people, you need to notice that the total is 3.5, and Real Madrid has been scoring more than 3.5 goals every game. Therefore, you want to take the over. The over 3.5 minus $1.10 is like they're giving it to you. They're just handing you a gift there. And Real Madrid on the Asian line, on the Asian handicap minus 3.5. I just think that's really intelligent betting. I think you're taking you're stepping out of the box and doing something a little bit different. Mm-hmm. Saying that will Real Madrid be able to win by 4 or more goals?
Exactly.
And I think the answer is yes. Yeah, it's an obvious yes in this game for me. Even though it's in Bulgaria, it's the smallest town to have a Champions League team. They're not even playing in their hometown. They're playing in the capital of Sofia. So it's just like a mouse against a monster, and in this case, Real Madrid is the monster, and the monster always eats the mouse.
Real Madrid certainly is a monster, and with their sort of goal-scoring ability, even for somebody who didn't really want to go as far as thinking that Real Madrid can win by 4 goals or more, even 3 goals or more, priced 2.25. I really like those odds. So you've got those 2 great options there. But is there any other markets that we should consider for this match?
Only if you want to get really creative. I predicted. I mean, I felt weird doing it. I've read so much in my life and written so much, but I predicted a 7-0 final, and I thought, this is insane. Who would predict a 7-0 final? But just thinking about the amount of time, what you have here is a reality of Bale and Ronaldo and Benzema and Rodriguez and Hernandez, and all these guys and Isco, they're all competing against each other now. Mm-hmm. So when a sub comes in, they want to show off to the coach that I deserve playing time, that I deserve my shot. So they're competing against the clock, and not necessarily, they don't care if it's 4-0 Real Madrid, oh cool, Ancelotti, we can chill, we can do nothing. These players don't care, Natalie. They're going out there to show what they can do on their given time while they're out there. Therefore, that's why you're going to get some high-scoring games. That's why you can lay 3.5 with Real Madrid. That's why I can say that the game is going to go over 3.5, because Ronaldo could get 3 goals himself here.
Yeah, he certainly can. So what would you say then the best way to play this match is? I say the top tip, the one bet that you would make for this match, what would it be?
The one bet, you're going to pin me down with one. The one bet would be over 3.5 minus $1.10. Mm-hmm. But you can't overlook the Real Madrid first half, second half beauty minus $1.50. That's just, the price is just incredible. Mm-hmm. When I saw that, I made a big star on my piece of paper, and That's why you want to have an offshore account is something like that. That's just beautiful. Real Madrid, first half, second half, minus $1.50. And if that happens, you're most likely going to hit the over 3.5 anyway. This is the type of game that looks like garbage at first. And if you do your homework and put some hours in on it, you can find a lot of different little approaches if you think that there's going to be a blowout, which this one will be a blowout.
Yeah, no, I agree. Aim for Real Madrid to win. Real Madrid winning both halves and goals. Kevin Stott, thank you for joining us today.
Hey, beautiful. Thanks a lot, Natalie.
The SBR Network offers free sports picks and game breakdowns, big money free betting contests year-round, a real-time Vegas-style odds monitoring service, and much more. So come see for yourself. To stay updated on SBR news and promotions, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+, and do be sure to subscribe to the Sportsbook Review YouTube channel to catch all our daily sports shows.